Dow Jones and Nasdaq both have seen a good drop yesterday. In fact, US 100 has breached below 11,500 and US 30 has seen 33,500 level. So now what to expect today? Can we expect a rise from here, or are they going to drop again? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. The next update will be up before the US cash session. So do watch it also. Let's start first. We look into US 100 followed with US 30. Do watch till, do listen to it carefully, do note down the levels. Let's have a look at the hourly charts first. On the hourly charts you can find out uh, we had shared in the previous analysis a wall drop, and now it is trying to retrace again. This is a rising wedge on the upside. Now if you connect the dots here, you will find that only and only if US 100 trades above first at 11,710 and then 11,840, then you can confirm that it is trying to reverse, else it is trying to trade in this bearish channel. And on the downside, 11,500 certainly be going to be a very good support. So now let's have a further closer look here. Yes, this trade above 11,600 and then 11,640 650 zone, if it breaches this zone, then certainly more bullishness, more bullish momentum will be expected, and then you can expect 11,710 11,768 10 levels. Directional movement is bearish here. The stochastic is overbought. The MACD is taking a crossover, but see what it did yesterday. Crossover here, bullish, and then increasingly bearish, then a crossover again. Possibly it may try to trade bullish, only if it breaches past the previous high, you can expect that the bullish momentum will continue. RSI oversold, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts likewise little retracement and again a drop from here. So possibly once it trades below beyond 11,585, you can buy, but then expect 11,600 620 640 as the good resistance, and only if it breaches past 11,660, you can expect 11,710 and plus levels. I'll look forward to specifically 11,660 levels today on the upside. Directional movement divergent bearish, stochastic looking upwards. It was oversold earlier. MACD is bearish trying to converge. RSI trading oversold, and look at RSI. This is how the 2-hour RSI appears to. So I'll wait for it to breach past this, then certainly it will enter into overbought zone. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, similar is the observation, a drop, retracement. But see, this candle can be considered a reversal candle with a sharp tail. If it breaches past 11,600 640 660 down, certainly this can be considered a reversal indication. So you can buy at 11,585 and then you can expect a little more rise. Direction movement divergent and bearish, stochastic oversold and now looking upwards. The MACD is bearish trying to converge. The RSI is oversold here. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, see the previous two candles, higher lows are seen. Then this candle, if it breaches past the zone at 11,585 600, you can expect that we may see 11,640, and then beyond that a little more rise can be seen. 11,640 660 is something which I will wait for. Beyond that 11,710 768 10 840 levels to be seen. Only confirmation of reversal is above 11,840 levels. Directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It may potentially converge. RSI trading at bottom. And if you look at the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts here. See how it has behaved so far. This is the channel in which it is trying to trade, basically trading sideways. Now see why 11,500 11,450 levels are important. See, the previous support was at these levels. Again and again it is trying to break past this and failing to do so, failing to sustain below this zone. And yes, it is gone bullish every time it is traded at those levels. So drop, rise, drop, rise, drop, rise, drop. So it is increasingly going bullish from these levels, because every time it gets a support, it tries to go bounce back from here. So I'll wait for it to break past 11,450 400 zone, and if this breaches 11,450 400, the direct landing is 11,200 11,000 and then 10,800 levels, which is going to be a good support, which I don't expect it is going to happen. See, this was the single bullish candle on the daily charts, and in this last 4 candles it is completed the order blocks which was pending there. So potentially it can again reverse from there. If you see it trading above 11,585, you can buy, and if you see it trading below 11,485, you can sell. That is what is the verdict for the day. So in between these 100 points, do not take any position. Below 11,485, 11,440, 11,400 are going to be the maximum. Below 11,400, it is going to crash again. Take your trades accordingly. On the upside, beyond 11,585, you can expect 11,620, 640, 660. This zone is important. Beyond 11,660, next target is 11,710, 760, 840, and then beyond that it is going to fly high. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. US30 on the hourly charts. First of all, drop, wall, drop, retracement here. Now see, if you connect the dots here, the highs on the upside 33,800 level, something you should look after. If it breaches today above 33,800, then only confirm that it is trying to trade bullish. Now look at the hourly charts. See, it is taking a support here at 33,580 levels, and since then has seen a rise. Potentially it may come back to this before it tries to look at rise. Yes, you can buy at 33,700, which is going to be a good pivot number. Beyond that, you can expect a little more rise for 33,800, and beyond that, it is going to fly high. Above 33,700, certainly you may see little more bullishness. On the other side, if you see it trading below 33,550, you can sell for 33,500, 33,400, and only if it trades below 33,400, you can expect more bearish momentum to continue. Now look at the directional movement. This is bearish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is taking a bullish cross, but see what it did yesterday. It can do it again, but see, it is certainly at a lower levels, and hence potentially a reversal expectation increases from here. RSI trading oversold. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, same drop, retracement, and again trying to look downwards. 33,400 level certainly be a good support. Directional movement divergent bearish, stochastic looking upwards, MACD is bearish trying to converge. RSI again trying to look downwards, indicating little more bearishness. Now look at the 3-hour chart. See, on the 3-hour chart, first you should observe that this is a reversal, potentially reversal indication, and hence once you see it trading above 33,700, you can buy Dow Jones, and you can expect it to rise first for 33,800 and then for 34,000 levels. If it sustains above 33,800, more bullish momentum can be expected. Now look at the directional movement, divergent bearish, stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is bearish here trying to converge. RSI trading oversold. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts here. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, see, 33,800 is certainly going to be a very good resistance level, and 33,900 levels, beyond which it is definitely reverse completely. On the downside, only sell entry is below 33,550, and see on the 4-hour chart, this is extremely divergent, extremely bearish. Stochastic is also trading oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is trading oversold. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See the previous two candles, almost of same size, and yes, if you consider this, there is a support there on the downside which will come into picture at 33, you can say 33,400. Yes, it may support 33,350. Actually, this is the number at which it may get the support, and only if it trades below 33,300, you can expect directly ending it still towards 33,200, and then below that it may try to land for 33,000 levels. So in sum, you should sell at 33,550, buy at 33,700. For this 150 points, do not trade above and below. On the downside, below 33,550, you can expect 33,500, 33,400 as the support levels. Below 33,400, it will go increasingly bearish, and then 33,350 and 200 levels will be seen. On the upside, you can buy at 33,650, 33,700, and then expect 33,800 as the next target, which is going to be a good resistance. 33,840, and then 33,900, 34,000 levels are the target on the upside. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.